Have you ever thought about how much you care about a smartphone? Most of us use it for communication, entertainment, education, and even work. And still, we exploit only 42% of our phone's resources on average, and the remaining 58% can be used for solving a lot of various economic issues for the common good. Please meet Phenom, a platform meant to unite millions of smartphones all over the world. Their spare resources will be used for the following purposes: data processing, cryptocurrency mining, photo and video processing, cloud storage. This is your chance to discover new opportunities and monetize the resources of your smartphone. So take your first step into the future with us.